This is a 2010 Ford Ranger XLT extended cab, 119,000 miles, in just incredible condition. Super clean, rust-free, not a door ding, not a scratch. Just in amazing, amazing condition for its age. Rust-free. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. The tires are in great shape. Tow package. Bed liner. The vehicle is running. Like all of our vehicles, we do a 125-point pre-owned inspection on every one of the vehicles we sell. When we sell something, it will not need a thing mechanically or cosmetically. Most people tell us that our vehicles actually look better in person, believe it or not, but we do our best. Perfect truck for student. Great gas mileage. Two-tone charcoal light gray interior is perfect. Original floor mats. AM, FM, CD, fog lights, 119,000 miles. Cruise control, power windows, locks, and mirrors. This thing is just super clean. Jump seats. So again, this is a 2010 Ford Ranger XLT extended cab, 119,000 miles in absolutely phenomenal condition. Needs nothing.